Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an absolute must-have for any party or event. Glow Sticks Bulk Party Favors. The ultimate choice for illuminating fun. Let's dive into why these glow sticks are the best in the market.
These glow sticks are a party essential, offering a whopping 100 pieces of easy-to-activate and vibrant multicolored light sticks.
Plus, they come with 100 reliable connectors, ensuring hassle-free fun for hours on end. But what sets these glow sticks apart?
Not only are they perfect for indoor parties, but they're also waterproof, making them ideal for pool parties or even bath time fun. And here's the best part. They float, they're non-leaking, and they're completely non-toxic. Activate these glow sticks with a simple snap and shake, and watch them glow bright for 10 to 14 hours.
They're kid-safe and quality-assured, ensuring endless hours of safe and exciting fun.
Whether you're spicing up your glow parties, filling piñatas, or stuffing goodie bags, these glow sticks are perfect for any occasion. From birthdays to weddings, carnivals to raves, these glow sticks bring endless fun to any event. So, if you want to light up your next party or event, look no further than Glow Sticks Bulk Party Favors.
Trust me, they're the best glow sticks available in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy glowing!